Hello YouTubers. The time is about 20 after midnight and I just came home. I'm really tired, but I have to unbox this everyday plate. It says America's Best Value Meal Kit. I thought I should try it because of convenience of week plan for meals, and I want to show you what's in here. Okay, you can order as many meals as you want, but I ordered 4 dinners, and this is actually a free box. All these meals are free in here. I only paid $10 shipping. They give you bags to try. If you like it, then you can order it or you can cancel. That's how it works. I know there are others out there which are doing the similar things, but let me show you what is in here. These are the meals I ordered. This one says French onion chicken. It looks like that in the picture. Hopefully it is like that when you prepare it. And yeah, they show you how to step by step how to prepare that. So I have French onion chicken and pork chop in creamy Dijon mushroom sauce. That's the picture. Then I got crispy Parmesan Caesar chicken. That you guys try this. At least you can order one free box, and then you don't like, you just don't order again, you can cancel. But yeah, this is like free food. I only paid for shipping $10. So this is saucy chicken and pepper stir fry. This one is Cajun chicken sausage hash, like that. So the only difference with that, and then also they added, I don't know what this is. Welcome to the Every Plate family. I'm not sure what's in here. Okay, this is just talking about how they work and what's in there. Tips and experiences in that flyer brochure, where tell you how you can reorder or this and that. And they gave me like 3 $70 gift cards. I don't know why, and I don't know the catch, but they say claim within 30 days. So I can use towards my next give a friend a free box. So probably that's what it is. You give your friend a get that, and yeah, 3 of these. $70, $70. Because by the way, the 3 meals I ordered was totaling like $50 some, which is gonna be probably better than going to the store and getting all the ingredients and leaving some, throwing some, going bad in the fridge and all that. Probably I'll try. So I will bag them up according to the meals here in small bags. So the only difference with this My Plate and the other one, the sister company, I forgot the name. They bag all the ingredients in one package, I think. This one, they just throw them together and then you sort them out yourself. That's why probably it's a little cheaper. The other one is expensive. But so you see, these 2 boxes, some onions, whatever this goes to. I got mushrooms here, and this whole box is like the dry ingredients, not the dry, but the this cheese. I think this is also cheese, Parmesan cheese. And the whole box, I don't know if I can have one using my phone. Yeah, carrots here. The whole of this box is like just all the vegetables or all the ingredients. Gonna put them out, everything. Carrots and bell peppers, onion, and everything I need. See, so all this is like to sort them out. Yeah, there's a little bit of everything in here. Garlic, sauces wherever they go, and seasonings, everything according to few potatoes, according to what you ordered. There's even fresh ginger. See, it looks really promising. It's gonna be a good dinner. Yeah, sour cream, Daisy, a good one. Dijon mustard. All these are here. The only thing is to sort them out. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna sort them out because I'm tired and it's late. So this is how it comes. Maybe I'll just put it in the fridge like that. And zucchini, really very fresh fruits. Onion, you know what? Onion is really expensive. Yeah, the lemon. And then I think down here, these are the meats. I don't know if I really wanna. Yeah, these are the meats. Hold on. is pork chops. Well, so this is the box, and I just wanted to show people, whoever want to try, maybe you can order. Just type in every plate and you go there and sign up. Thanks for watching. Bye.